What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at EMIE Extreme Fold Glasses by RoboFold Technology. First, I want to give a huge thank you to EMIE for sending these out for me to try out on the channel. I truly do appreciate it. Let's do this!
Gadgets.
So first things first, this is a campaign off of Indiegogo. So what you're looking at right here is just a prototype. Also, this is supposed to be the world's thinnest and lightest folding glasses. Currently, if you wanted to back this campaign, it will cost you $45. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. We have some information here. Blue light blocking fold glasses. Looks like you have a silicone storage bag that comes with it, and on the right side it looks like it's a holder for the glasses that you can put on the back of your iPhone. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. Stay true, never get lost again. I think they meant to say lost, but their design philosophy is they want you to see the world clearly and stay true. So here's my first look at the EMIE folding sunglasses. I went with the sunglasses over the blue light filter glasses just because I wanted to have a pair of sunglasses that can fold such as these do, and I don't really have to worry about them. Now just take a look at this. And as I'm unfolding it, the hinges I should say, actually feel pretty solid. The sunglasses aren't this dark. Obviously there are lens protectors on there, which we'll pull off a little bit later. But I want to show you the thinness of these glasses. I'll continue to unfold them to put them fully unfolded, and as you see, just look how thin they really are. Very lightweight, obviously. I'll put them on in a second. Let's continue to see what else is in the box. Here we have a little leather sleeve. It has EMIE on it and it says creative or nothing. Feels nice, and I do like the two colors. On the back, there is a magnet, so you'll be able to attach this to the back of your iPhone and slide your glasses in there. Next, we have more convenience with magnetic case. So you go ahead and scan that little QR code, which I'll do in a sec. Let's see what's inside of this little sleeve that we have here. First thing I'm pulling out looks like a cleaning cloth. And then I have a circle magnet. Not sure what I'm going to use this for. Maybe I'll place it on the inside of a case, or I'm not really sure. We'll take a look. And the cleaning cloth, let's see, does it have any branding? The cleaning cloth doesn't have any branding, but it is a nice size cleaning cloth. So glad that they included that. Now this must be the silicone storage bag that they were talking about. It says RoboFold Glasses, and it is a little silicone little pouch. Double stick this side. So we'll take a look and see exactly what they mean by that. But there is something inside of this little silicone storage bag. There's a little plastic bag. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Okay, so it looks like you get this little sticker. So this is what you're going to use to put on the back of here. I want to go ahead and slide the glasses in to see if they're actually going to fit. And look, I just pretty much slid them in there, dropped them in there, and you can't even tell that there's anything inside of this little pouch. So here, these little holes where you would go ahead and do your little lanyard if you want to. I'm not going to. It's nice that they included that, like I said. Go ahead and peel off the sticker, place it on the back of the silicone pouch. This way you can go ahead and stick this on something that you would use, and then you can always find it. Here's everything that they sent me. Now remember, there are different perks with different prices, so just make sure you get the one that you want to. I am truly impressed with the size of these glasses when they are folded. They're thin and they're so lightweight, and you wouldn't really even know that these are glasses. Let me now go ahead and slide the glasses inside of the leather sleeve. I do happen to really like the look of this again. So I'll go ahead and slide the folded glasses inside. As you saw, no struggle, no issue. Here's my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm just gonna go ahead and see how well this sticks. So here it is. It is sticking to the device. You see the glasses are inside of there, safely kept. Now I'll go ahead and give it a little shake, and as you see, I didn't get any movement with the sleeve on the device. But let's say you're like me and I rock a case. I do not rock my iPhone without a case, and let's see if it will stay on with the case that I have. This case is a MagSafe case, so let's see how well this sleeve stays on with the case. Okay, so I have the accessory attached to the back of the phone case, and it does come up a little close to the cameras, but it doesn't get in the way of shooting a photo or taking video. These glasses are made from something that they call memorable steel frame. You'll be able to fold and unfold them several 100,000 times, and they will not break. The struggle was real trying to remove the plastic, but now we finally can get a good look at the folding glasses. Very light again. We have Emmy on the arm of the glasses. Here is the anti-slip protection that they have towards the end of the arm, as you see here. They also have this little accessory. This is the sunglass holder strap. And what you would do is attach both ends of the strap to the ends of your sunglass arms. And this way, when you don't want them on your face, you can let them rest around your neck. It should take about 3 seconds to go ahead and fold these and unfold these. And as you see, there's nothing really to it to get these things folded and thrown in your pocket or wherever you want to keep them. Using the sunglasses outside in the direct sun, I felt that they did do their job. It wasn't too bright for me. The glasses are dark, so I felt pretty good about wearing them outside in the sun. So who exactly are these glasses for? Well, they're for anyone really who just wants a pair of sunglasses or blue light filter glasses and be able to fold them away where they're so compact that you don't even know that they're there. This is also good for people that maybe want to play sports or they're very active, and maybe you don't want to necessarily have your most expensive and favorite sunglasses out and about. These things are perfect just for that. They stay on your face, they're light, they won't make your ears or your nose hurt, and I think that you would be satisfied with this just for something to throw on, take off, and throw in your bag and be done with. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.